Here's Kitching. Running into the penalty area. Katie Kitching takes it inside. Great save by Poulter. Still the danger not clear as it's hit by Dear and it's gone in. Poulter unable to keep it out. Second time around. And Sunderland take the lead. And it's Jenna Dear. But the goal was made by the run of Katie Kitching, who cut inside Freeland. This was an excellent save, though, by Hannah Poulter. With a clearance straight to the edge of the box, and Dear fired it on top with 10 players for the time being. Sunderland take advantage of it. Might fall here for score! And it's 2! A mix-up in the Portsmouth defence. And Emily Scarr takes advantage. She takes a clatter in the mix of it, but she won't care because she's doubled Sunderland's lead. Hesitation at the back, and Bramley and Castley both got caught out. Dear finds the runner Brown, who took it round Williams, and well, she says there wasn't a touch, but there was, and she's already on a yellow card, and there's going to be a red shown to Scarlett Williams. Well, she's claiming it was a dive. And there it is. Sunderland booked their place in the quarterfinals of the Adobe Women's FA Cup. Goals from Jenna Dear and Emily Scarr.